is absolutely packed with Guidos. The fence, oh shoot, the farmer just scared them all away. Gosh dang it. They flew all over there. There's still some on the fence.
They'll be back.
They'll be back though, yes.
Can you take Simon in?
Alright, we have a party of queens going on. That table was packed just a second ago. And the farmer behind us had his tractor out and scared them all. But there's a bunch on the fence. There's a bunch still coming in from the blackberries. Oh my goodness, look at them. Look at that table. Goodness, and underneath.
Taking a trip with your friends.
Underneath the table.
What?
Oh, and the raspberries. Yep. Oh, yeah, they're all coming out again. There's a couple of families there, that's for sure. Oh my goodness. Look at them. This is our backyard. The Guidos like to have their little babies and bring them over here. They just keep coming in.
Been going good for about 10 years now.
Yeah. Yep. Quail don't live that long though. They only live about 4 years, I think.
2
right?
years.
2 years.
Average.
Average of 2 years. But for the last 10 years, we've had between 60 and 150 out here. And we're in the middle of the city. Yep. Oh!
That is the shark fin hawk. Sammy just showed up.
Just showed up.
Jesus Christ, bitch.
Samuel, oh, there he goes. Oh. And he didn't get any. Oh, my heavens.
He'll come back through here again. He's up in that tree.
Holy mackerel.
He was close to getting one.
Yeah, he was. Well, y'all just saw that. Sammy, yeah, he preys on birds. That's all
Sharp
he
shin
gets.
hawk.
Yeah, Sammy the sharp shin hawk. You guys got to see him just like we did. He came from nowhere. And now you can't hear a bird at all.
Nope, they know.
So he didn't get one, but he's over in the tree in the neighbor's yard waiting because he knows that they'll be back.
They know he's there. They won't come back until he leaves.
All right, well, that's that for right now. They're not going to be back for a little while. That was exciting. I'm glad he didn't get any.
Yeah, it was. Kind of made your old heart go a little bit.
Yes, it did. Oh my goodness.